This is why 99% of you will fail your New Year's resolutions of eating healthy and exercising for 2024. I'm sorry to tell you, it's just a fact because I've been there myself. I've had decades of being a little tubby piece of shit, and I just understand it from personal reference. So this is my points to kind of help you so you avoid them going forward. The big one is sugar. Now, your body is addicted to sugar. If you eat sugar, you'll crave more sugar. You are typically dehydrated. So if you entirely cut out sugar from your diet, I'm talking about your consumption is 100% right now, for example, you cut it to 0, not 10%, not 5%, not 1%, 0%. That is the only way to regulate your diet, because sugar is an addictive substance. If you have a piece of cake one day, the next day you're feeling like having another piece of cake, and then a biscuit, and then the next day a biscuit, and then the next day another like pie or whatever. It is an addictive thing. So if you cut it out entirely, it will take a week or two, but after that you won't even crave sugar anymore. If you do, slam a banana and drink like half liter of water, and that craving will go away, and then the next day you're like, oh no, I actually didn't want that, I was just thirsty. That is a massive one. So for example, a piece of cake is like 200 to 300 calories, like a sixth of a small little cake, and a banana is like 80 calories, maybe less, depending on the size. So have that instead and have water. Next, eat the same meal every day. So for example, yesterday I had 2 chicken wraps with lettuce, a little bit of mayo on a wholemeal bread, and with 500 grams of chicken split over 2 wraps, and 4 eggs and a bowl of oats. That's literally what I had that day. I can literally consume that same meal every single day forever because it like hits all my calories, hit all my macros, etc. So find a meal that gets that for you and do that. Eat that every single day, like exceptions for like birthdays and stuff like that. Avoid the sugar at all cost possible. If you do have it one day, don't have it the next day. Reset and drink water and get rid of that craving again and go back into it. With the working out, make it regimented, make it every single time, every single day, and just do it. Whether it's 2 minutes, whether just do it for 2 minutes just to get a little bit of exercise in, maintain the mental habit. That's what it is really, the mental habit. It's not the physical act. Just do the mental habit. And if you do 2 minutes a day, build it up to 5 minutes a day, build it up to 10 minutes a day, but aim for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't overexert yourself for doing like a 45 or an hour and a half workout. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes. If on that day you feel like not doing it, just do it for 2 minutes and then come back out or come back home or go for a walk, etc. But just get the mental habit there, and then when you are there, you'll find that you actually just want to do more and more and more anyway. So quick little tip before my camera runs out. Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic 2024. Get all your fitness goals, get your nutrition goals in check, and then follow my channel because we'll be doing workouts together. And I hope by the end of 2024, you have the body of your dreams, because most likely we just keep doing what we're doing, we will get there together. All right, I'll see you in the next video.